Magandang hapon po ng August 15, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 15, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong Saturday, August 15, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 5 p.m. draw ng 3D Lotto. 'See you again later' for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 15, 2026 Saturday. Here is the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 and Lotto 642 for Saturday, August 15, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 15, 2026 Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.